playing Act Out or Blackout. We're going to split up into 2 teams. Each round, 1 player from each team has 60 seconds to act out as many cards as possible.
Every time your team gets a card correctly, the other team must drink. If you get a black card, you take a sip. If you get a yellow card, you drink your whole drink. And if you get a red card, you take a shot.
At the end of each round, we're gonna tally up the cards. The losing team has to chug their drink. Chug, 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 chug. And then we do it all again.
Spooning, spooning.
Drunk texting. Chug, chug. Throw up. Get sick. Puke. Sick. Vomit. Vomit. Puke. Puke and rally. Puke and rally. What? Wow! Go me! Go me! Oh my god.
Body shot!
Wow! Waxing.
Brazilian wax. Bikini wax.
More sips, more sips. Big booty.
Butt injection. Butt injection. Brazilian butt lift.
I knew it. Hot beat. Oh my god! Golf. Ping pong. Oh
No.
Beer pong. Let's go. Vagina. What? Vagina? What? Wet pussy? Wet pussy? Wet. What? Yes! Punch in the face. Knock her out. Oh. Thirsty. Yes!
Oh.
Take a Xanax. Yeah, baby. Selfie. Duck face.
I knew that one.
Oh, shit.
Ballerina.
Ballet dancer.
I feel like we got it. Ballet dancing, yeah?
Yeah.
This is a hard one. Okay, ready? Lay down. Okay.
Spanking. Domination. Blessing.
Domination.
What the fuck kind of church do you go to? Turn up. What was it? Exorcism. Chug. Okay. Get your game face on. Okay. 2.
Okay.
Go. Hold up. Wow.
Take a sip.
Cowgirl.
No.
Line dancing. Rodeo. Partner. Square dance. Cowboy. What the fuck? Skip. Gang the guy. Pooping. Shitting. Constipated. Sorry, bleep that out. Bang and what? Fuck, I'm gonna leave. Yes. What's the word? What's the quote? What's the saying? Smash and dip. God, fucking make me. Dip. Mac and cheese. What? I already know.
What?
Push out the legs. Push.
Slide.
Okay.
Sliding.
Slide in the DMs. Yes. Slide in the DMs. Okay.
Push-ups. Plank.
Superman.
Working out.
No, you said it.
Planking.
Oh.
Not
Resting bitch face.
serious. Wow.
What? Are you kidding me? Okay, ready?
I would've got that.
Push. Oh shit. Stop.
Drum roll!
Chug. V, who won the game?
I don't know.